on dais, my dear participants, good morning to all. I am Katti Narasimha Reddy, working president of AISTF and also former teacher MLC. On behalf of All India Secondary Teachers Federation, I express full solidarity with IF2 JFME massive dharna and also its important all demands. Due to the shortage of time, I would like to highlight 4 issues, major issues. One is TET issues. More than 25 lakhs teachers suffering from teacher eligibility test. All in-service teachers should be passed within the 2 years. Otherwise, they are all removed from the service. This is the serious issue. And all in-service teachers exempted, appointed before 2010. We demand to the central government, amend should be RTA Act immediately and file review petition in Supreme Court also. Second thing is OPS restoration. We don't agree with new pension scheme or united pension scheme. We want only old pension scheme. Third one is NEP. Thousands of teachers posts are being abolished. Thousands of schools are going to be closed. Lakhs of students are left from the government educational institutions due to the implementation of NEP in our country. Fourth one is the union government clarified the Lok Sabha 3 days ago. DA not merged into basic pay. What we gained through long agitations has lost. Finally, we are suffering so many serious issues. We strongly demand to the union government resolve all issues immediately. हमें चलेंगे, मिलेंगे, लड़ेंगे. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है हमें जीतेंगे. यूनिटी इज आवर स्ट्रेंथ. धन्यवाद.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया रेड्डी जी. अब मैं